Since we are trapped inside with the rain, we will make some food. Thank you.
Let's see if we can.
Very nice. We have 2 avocados. They had 2 different types at the shop. So we will eat one today and then save one for sushi in a few days. We'll make veggie sushi. So I guess I'll use this one. It seems slightly more
Better?
light.
Okay, yeah.
And then we'll let this one hang out.
This one will be for sushi.
Yeah. Oh, it looks good.
Oh, nice. We should grow some of those. You can grow the pits.
Oh yeah. And then I'm just gonna... Oh yeah, this feels okay. Just craving avocado today.
So you're doing it like you would do with the mango too?
Yeah, this is just because I'm gonna mash it in a bowl, so this will just make it in little chunks. Avocado is like the savory version of a mango. It is. Since we are trapped inside with the rain, we will make some food.
Yeah, the rain today is now very nice.
It's like all of Poland is,
Or at least south part.
yeah, southern part. Boom. You could add some like salt, black pepper, garlic to this, but we're just gonna have it plain because we're gonna season the sandwiches like with everything on top, basically.
Oh, so you could put stuff inside and mix it up.
Yeah, to make like a little guacamole. I like avocado with garlic. I'll leave it a little chunky.
Okay, I don't mind chunky.
We build the sandwiches here?
Yeah, we can. You'll do it, or you want me to do it?
You could do it. So this is enough avocado for both of us, remember?
I don't need much,
Okay.
so I will build your ones more generously. Try to cover it completely.
We will also be adding some nutritional yeast. This is really good. I put this on all of our savory food. So this is what we use instead of taking B12, because this is fortified with that. Then we just have like a black pepper grinder and this herb grinder with some sea salt. And then chives. You might put some chives in there. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Croatia grinders. Okay, this grinder is almost dead.
We'll get a real grinder after this one dies. Because we've almost had that for like a year, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been a while.
You have to like hunch over.
Because of this.
And now for the best. Nooch!
Fish food.
No. This actually is really tasty, even though it does look like fish food, but it's very umami.
Ready.
Thank you. Yes.
So you're on here more concentrated avocado.
Yeah. Do you want chives or should I move this?
I'll have some chives.
Okay. Yeah, this is why in our tiny house we are designing the kitchen where there isn't a window behind you when you're cooking, because then it makes filming way more difficult.
Yeah.
Because the light always looks like shit when it's that way.
That's why we won't have a window at all.
Yeah, it'll be to the side.
Yeah, to the side.
Yes.
Tomatoes.
Fresh tomato in sandwiches is so good. Especially with a little bit of the salt and the herbs. Give the chives a haircut.
Yeah. Might have cut a little too much, but
Oh, then I'll take some. If you have too much.
maybe not.
Watch your fingers. Do you want nooch too or no?
No. I'll have nooch later with other food.
Okay. Taste test. I know it's gonna be good.
Yes, this is good.
Yay. Should we go back to the table? This would be really good with that black salt a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That gives it that like eggy. It makes it like eggs kind of, if you like the taste.
I've never actually tried black salt.
Oh really? Maybe we can make like a tofu scramble sometime with it. Yeah, this is really good.
Oh yeah.
Should Kuba keep his beard, yes or no?